Hey, my name's Brian Walker. I'm a software engineer for a company called Watchfire. Make digital billboards, indoor signage, a lot of cool stuff. I also run a robotics club and do STEM work with kids. I also use PyCharm in my work, and I use a lot of the AI tools. I'm using PyCharm as the framework to evaluate tools from Microsoft AWS. And yes, PyCharm is very easy to use. They even have built-in lessons if you want to use that. So there's just a lot of tools there. JetBrains goes out of their way to help me and the kids, and then in my professional environment, uh, the tools are very great. Get incorporated into my workflow, all within PyCharm. So yeah, it works really well. Yeah, I find the JetBrain products to be awesome and cover all bases. PyCharm has so much there that I haven't mastered even half of it yet.